Let's play Jingle Bells. This will use all three chords that we've learned so far. Easy F, easy C, and C7. This song also introduces half notes, which are half as long as our long notes. These ones we're going to count for 2 beats, but you don't have to think too much about the counting on this one. You already know how Jingle Bells sounds. Just think of the rhythm of that song as we play this. 1, 2, ready, go. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse